What's up? I'm Mason the Mason. In this video I'm going to show you how to spread mud on brick, but here we're 4-inch block, so it's like the same thing. So over here we're putting it, you got a pile of mud, a clear little spot so I can roll it. So when you roll it, you just stab it up in. See how I like come up in and then come back, in, back, in, back. It makes like a roll, a nice smooth texture. Bring it over here and that same back and forth motion, you do it on the wall and you spread it. So I do it about 3 times. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, a little light here, some more right there. All right, we'll move you over. Can you see a little better? All right, so I put 3 scoops on there. First thing I do is I make sure none of that falls in the cavity, so I go right along the back. Then I put my corner of my trowel right here against the wall and just drag it through the middle. It makes a nice even furrow all the way through. We got a little low spot here. Push that up in there. Then you clean off the front, flop it on the back. You just repeat that. You can do it however you want, but I like the number 3, so that's what I do. So 1, 2, 3. 1 scoop, 1, 2, 3. 2 scoops, 1, 2, 3. 3 scoops along the back. Touching your trowel to the wall, 1 furrow through. And then cut this mud away, back on the wall, same thing. Now you just go all the way down the wall, man. Or woman, my mom. That's why I like this. You just do it, you get it down 1 time, and then it's the same thing every single time. 1, 2, 3. Now the reason you roll this mud when you do it is because if you just scoop it up, see how there's not a lot of mud on there? I mean there is, but there isn't. You scoop it and roll it like that, you can get a whole lot more on there. It like builds it up, it makes it thicker, and it makes it easier to spread. So, you know, there's a couple different ways you can head these things. So I gotta go right against the wall right here, so I can't like do it on the wall. So all I do is you make it nice and smooth. See that? It's like a prime type deal. Then you smooth up the one side, and you want it kind of straight. And then I go down the other side, flick the top on there. Another time, here we go. So I got another block, I'm not gonna do it on the wall, I'm gonna do it right on the mud board. Flatten that on there, give it a little slap so it sticks to your trowel, you know. Smooth it straight up, like that. Up the one side, back the other, flip the top. Time, same thing, smooth it up that side, flick. Okay, we're gonna go over to the wall here. So I got some mud squished out. See that? It's falling all over the place. It's important to reuse that, so you don't have to go to the mud board every freaking time. So you're gonna angle your trowel away. You don't want to smear this thing up. So angle your trowel away, looking at it like this, I put mud on the same side that I'm going to head. You feel me? Same side of the trowel, same side of the block, like this. Okay? And I just look it up. I just find the nose, slap it up there. And then this side, don't really matter. I just get the whole trowel. I want to come straight with the wall. You don't want to angle it in. This makes a big fat mud joint there. Watch how it squishes out. See that? Nice and full. I like to start with this. So another way I like to head it. Start with a full trowel here. Smooth up that back. Flick that back on. Reuse this. Smooth up that side. So that's how I spread my mud on the wall here, how I spread it on the head joints. If you got any questions, please drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. And yeah, thanks for watching.